we are here to organize our school GK quiz competition. So on behalf of our school and on behalf of GK quiz community, I would like to wish all the group houses all the best, do your best, and also I request all the audience to learn something from the quiz competition and wish you all the best. Now I would like to invite at first Yellow House come to the stage. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए Yellow House की। Next, I would like to welcome Blue House members. Please come on the stage. Next, Red House. Please come on the stage and come with it. Next, Green House. Please come on the stage. Now, I would like to call Lakan sir on the stage and Sister Disha to come and explain the rules and regulations for the cricket competition.
Rules for this competition. This competition will be asked in both Hindi and English. There will be altogether 4 rounds: general round, buzzer round, rapid fire, and visual round. In general round, each team members will be asked questions individually, and each question shall be carried 5 points. There will be no negative points in this round. The question needs to be answered within 15 seconds. The candidate is unable to answer the question within 15 seconds. The quiz master shall move on the next question. In the buzzer round, the quiz master will ask the question to all the teams in common. Whichever team knows the answer will have to bring the bell. Each question shall carry 10 minutes, but if the team gives the wrong answer, there will be negative points, negative 5 points. In rapid fire round, the team will be given their performance language to be asked question. In rapid fire round, each team will be given 1 minute and the team can answer as much as they can to increase their points. There will not be any negative points. Each question shall carry 10 points. At the last round, the visual round, each question shall carry 15 minutes. Each team will be shown in image and they have to identify the image within 15 seconds. There will be negative points of 10. If a team can answer the question, they will have to say within and before 15 seconds.
आप सभी को समझ में आए? रूल्स पहले बता। इसमें प्रश्न हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में पूछे जाएंगे आपसे। कुल मिलाकर 4 राउंड होंगे। इसमें पहला जनरल राउंड, दूसरा बजर राउंड, तीसरा रैपिड फायर राउंड और चौथा विजुअल राउंड। ठीक है। थर्ड है सामान्य जनरल राउंड में प्रत्येक टीम के सदस्यों से व्यक्तिगत रूप से प्रश्न पूछे जाएंगे और प्रत्येक प्रश्न में 5 अंक होंगे। इस दौर में कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। प्रश्न का उत्तर 15 सेकंड के भीतर दिया जाना चाहिए। यदि उम्मीदवार 15 सेकंड के भीतर प्रश्न का उत्तर देने में असमर्थ है तो क्विज मास्टर को अगले प्रश्न पर आगे बढ़ना होगा। बजर राउंड में क्विज मास्टर सभी टीमों से सवाल पूछेंगे। जो भी टीम जवाब जानती है उसे घंटी बजानी होगी। प्रत्येक प्रश्न में 10 अंक होंगे, लेकिन यदि टीम गलत उत्तर देती है तो नकारात्मक नेगेटिव मार्क 5 अंक होंगे।